Welcome once again to this channel. This is Forex Expert channel. On this channel, we'll talk everything about Forex trading, Forex training, and you can make money online from the financial markets. In today's series, we're starting a new series today. Today is week 1, day 1. It's introduction to Forex basics. This is a beginner-friendly class. As the week progresses, we'll go into intermediate and advanced classes. But for now, if you're an intermediate or advanced classes, you can skip this series, this first series, which is week 1 today. This is really for upcoming traders who don't know anything about trading. I would like to introduce myself before we kick off. My name is Mr. Bartholomew. I'm a Forex mentor and a Forex trader with over 6 years experience. I've coached and mentored over 100 students, and I've also traded live and prop firm accounts. So if you want to join my mentorship or my class, you can use the link in the comment section or the link in the description of this video to get to join, or contact me if you want to learn one-on-one with me. Now let's dive back to our business for today. Today is day 1, which is introduction to Forex basics. First of all, what is Forex? Forex is a global market where different countries' currencies are traded, and it's also known as the currency or FX markets. As we all know, it's the world's largest market. If you don't know before now, but I believe you should know before now. And it's very liquid, and it operates 24 hours in 5 days, not 7 days. The market is closed 10 p.m. Friday against Saturday. So it depends on your location. You know, if you're in Australia, your time is different from Europe, your time is different from America, your time is different from Africa. If you're in Africa, your time is different from Europe, slightly different, but majorly different from America and Australia. So that's just the basic. Forex is simply FX market. That's just where different currencies are traded. Funny enough, Forex is not for Forex market is not, we don't trade only the currencies, we also trade commodities, energies, and other forms of the market. But in this class, we'll be talking about trading of currencies. Understand? It simply involves you having your dollar, exchanging it for another currency, then you make profits based on the exchange rate at which you are buying or selling. You can also make a loss if you're buying at the wrong time. If you're buying at the wrong time when you're supposed to be selling and you're buying, you'll make a loss. But if you're buying when you're supposed to be buying or selling when you're supposed to be selling, you'll definitely make a profit. Now, the currency market, a lot of currencies are there, but there are major currencies that are traded on the Forex market. Let's look at them, some of them. The major currencies that are traded in the Forex market, they include, these are the major currencies that are traded in the Forex market. The dollar is the most widely traded currency because the US dollar is globally acceptable, so everybody trades on, has access to it. The euro is second, while only 3% of the transaction involves euro or dollar. So after the US, which is the USD, then the euro and the Japanese yuan. The Japanese yuan is represents the Asian economy. Let me put it that way, because it doesn't only represent Japan alone, although it's Japan's currency, but it represents the Asian economy. Then we have the Great Britain pounds, we have the Swiss franc, we have the Canadian dollar, we have the Australian dollar, we have the New Zealand dollar, and those are the about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 major currencies that are traded in the Forex market. We have other currencies as well, but these are the 8 major currencies that are more liquid, volatile, that moves in the market, because people